What is our statement, guys? When the initial speed of the body is not zero, is it okay, Arun Kailash? Now you tell me, when the initial speed of the body is not zero, then body graph will start from somewhere. Yes or no? From there, the body will be uniform acceleration. What is that? Uniform acceleration. Now, what is the final speed here? Anybody can tell me what is the final speed? This is what the final speed. Yes or no? This slope will give you the final speed. Any doubt? Please respond. Now, body is already not having some initial, already having initial velocity. So initial velocity, you can see once already. For example, if we'll take Gokul car, Gokul already the car is with a 10 meter per second. What is that, guys? Already with the 10 meter per second. Then he started running. So from there he went in rate of understanding. This speed, this one, what we can say, the speed is always understanding uniform rate. What is that, guys? Uniform rate. So that graph will come what, guys? How the graph will come? Graph will come uniform. It's a straight line. Now, if I want to find the final velocity, what is the formula? Anybody can tell me? What is the formula? This is the final velocity V, and this gap alone, what is to call, guys? It is not done properly, but still you can see. What is this called as? Anybody? Initial velocity. What is to call? It is called as initial velocity. Is it okay, guys? Respond, everybody. So,
Yes, sir.
body initial velocity is not zero, so we should not take the graph from zero. It is lifted up little bit, then later, what is happening? Body is moving in how? It is uniform motion. So we can say it is uniform acceleration. What we used to call, guys? It is called
Uniform acceleration.
Uniform acceleration. So this is what it is. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please respond. Now,
Yes, sir.
now I want to find, as we know, you can find easily the result issue, speed and all. So now you can say, I want to find the distance. Then what is the distance travel formula? Anybody? What is the distance? I want distance. Please respond, anybody. Distance formula. Distance is equals to, what is the formula, guys? Distance is equals to what?
Speed
Total distance. Understand? Yeah. Sorry, total speed. Or else we can say simply, what is the formula? Speed into time. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is what the distance formula. Everybody, will you accept this formula? Yes,
Yes,
or no? Now, this is what when you know speed and time, but we don't know speed and time. But only one thing we know. What is that? We know graph.
Initial velocity and
Yeah, graph alone we know. Ready? We want to find what, ready? We want to find distance, correct, ready? So from the graph, how you will find distance, ready?
We are finding area, sir.
By finding the area of the shape. Yes or no? Everybody respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
For finding the area of the shape, will give you what? Will give you what, guys?
Distance.
Distance. So now, what is this shape? Look into the board and tell me what is this shape exactly. It's not, don't say triangle. It's not the triangle. Harish, is it the triangle, Harish? Please notice it. Is the triangle I'm asking. That is what I'm saying. We have to be very careful. So now, if it is triangle, what we used to call triangle, look into the board. This is what we used to call as triangle. Yes or no? If I draw the line here, then this is what we used to call as triangle. Will you accept it?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So now it is what shape? 4 sides it is having. Look into the board now. Down it is looks like a, this is looks like a triangle, and this is looks like a rectangle. How does it looks like? Rectangle. Okay. Rectangle. But we don't need. If you want to find the distance travel, you can take the total shape. What is the total shape? You alone, you know, people. Others don't know. You have to speak. So distance traveled by a body is equals to area of trapezium. What is that? Area of
trapezium.
What is the trapezium? You can tell me. So body is already having initial velocity. So from that, she only, or you can take here, everyone, Bharatini, you are the only one who is not speaking. So now, this is what the graph, is it yes or no, guys? Everybody? So now, this is what the graph is happening. So that if someone, you can see here, if you want to find the distance, then this is one side, This is second side. This is third side. This is fourth side. So 4 sides. What is the shape we used to call? Everybody. What is shape we used to call as?
Trapezium.
Trapezium. Understanding? So trapezium. So look into the look into the screen and tell me everybody in this trapezium. So this is the trapezium which we are drawing. Any doubt? Anyone you can tell me. Now you tell me if you'll understand this one. Yes, please. 1 minute, everybody. So this is the trapezium, and I am marking also. Let me take this is the O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Is it okay, guys? Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay, sir.
Now you tell me.
Sir.
What is the area of a trapezium formula? Area of a trapezium formula, please. Area of a trapezium formula. Can I say? Will you remember? Now, forget about the size of the sides. Who is parallel here? Can you tell me? In this, who is the parallel in this diagram? 2 lines are parallel to each other. Who is that? Anybody? Parallel. Parallel means like this. Don't think about height. Only parallel. Which 2 lines are parallel? You should speak. Which 2 lines are parallel, guys?
2 and 4.
What is that? Yeah, 2 and 4. Very good. 2 and 4 is in parallel. So what is this 2 here? OA and B and C. Is it okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
AB is called as what? AB is called as what? AB is called as, we won't call it as AB because AB is the slope of the graph, slope of the trapezium. What is this? Hypotenuse, we can say. It is the hypotenuse. Now, who is the base? Who is the base, guys?
OC.
OC is the base. Yes or no? So that's all. If you'll understand this, then everything you people can solve. So this is what the triangle. So now we can say, who is parallel to each other, guys? Who is parallel to each other? OA is parallel to CB. Is it okay, everybody? Yes or no response at
Yes,
all?
sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so if you will take now, what is the height of this triangle? Height of this trapezium? Height of this
Sir.
trapezium.
BC.
BC or OC? Already OC is in parallel. Then always height will be opposite to the parallel sides. Height will be where, guys?
Opposite to the
Opposite
parallel
to
side.
parallel.
Understanding. Height of trapezium is opposite to the parallel sides. So who is opposite here? Opposite to the parallel.
AO.
So what is that, guys? What is that? This is the height.
AO.
Do you understand, everyone? Ready, Danishkar? So these two will become parallel to each other, and this will become the height of the trapezium. Is it okay? Please at least say yes. Okay. Now,
Yes,
the
sir.
area of trapezium formula is sum of parallel sides. What is that? Sum of parallel sides. Clear, everybody? Into height of the trapezium. Height of the trapezium. Then you tell me what will happen. Height of the trapezium divided by 2. That's all the formula. What is the formula, guys? Sum of
Sum of
parallel sides
parallel
into height. Sum of parallel side into height divided by 2. Now you tell me from the picture, who is the parallel sides? You should tell me. I should not say. So I can say area of trapezium. You please respond. Area of trapezium is equal to sum of parallel sides. Who is the parallel sides? Look into the picture and tell me.
OA and CB, sir.
OA plus BC. What is the formula? OA
OA.
BC into what is the height of the trapezium? Vartini, Arun Kailash, what is the height of the trapezium? As I said,
CB.
CD.
OC, sir.
Illa Reddy, height of the trapezium always opposite to the parallel sides. Who is opposite to the parallel side here? What, Reddy? OC. So that is what? You forgot it, Reddy. Don't forget Reddy simply. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, that is what all of you should remember. So 1 minute. This is coming wrong. So now if you notice it, that is what everybody should remember. So opposite to the parallel sides, who is called as? Opposite to the parallel sides, which we used to call as height. Is it okay? That is the formula of trapezium. So now, that's all. So if you will find the area of a trapezium, what is the height, guys? OB. What is the height? OB. Check it. What is the height in graph? OB. Now, notations is your choice. Understand, Harish? Textbook, they will show different thing and you can learn different thing, but only concept you have to remember. What is the formula of trapezium? Nobody will mention in textbook also. What is the formula of trapezium? Sum of parallel sides into, what is that, guys?
Height.
Height of the trapezium. So what is height? Height is always opposite. Understanding? You can see
Opposite parallel.
what? Parallel sides. Clear? This is what it is we used to call as. What is that? Anyone, please? We used to
Area
call
of
as, yeah, speed time graph of a body when its initial speed is 0 and body is moving with a uniform speed. Is it okay, guys? Yes?
Yes,
Now, you tell me, when the speed at a non-uniform rate, what is the graph? When a speed at a non-uniform rate, when a speed at non-uniform rate, please respond. When a speed at non-uniform rate, you tell me what will happen?
The graph will be curved.
Yes, how it will be? Again, same graph.
Curved.
So it is time, and this is what, guys? Speed. If it is a speed time graph is non-uniform rate, then how the graph will be? The graph will be
Curved.
curved. So bracket out down what you have to write? Non-uniform acceleration. What is to write?
Non-uniform acceleration.
Acceleration. So kindly remember that. Okay. So now I can say non-uniform acceleration. Is it okay, guys? Non-uniform acceleration. When the speed at non-uniform rate. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Till here. Any doubt, guys?
No,
Okay.
sir.
This is
No,
all
sir.
about the graphs of our motion chapter. Now, at last, I will explain you something. Be very careful. Now, notice it. If the graph will be like this, it is indicating what, guys? Uniform acceleration. What is that? Uniform acceleration. Now, for example, this is time versus speed graph only. Now, let me say, everybody. So, if the graph is like this, what is this called as, guys? What is this called as? Uniform acceleration. Now, if the graph will be like this, then what is this called as? What is this called as? Constant speed or uniform speed. So at this case, what is the speed or velocity?
Zero acceleration.
Sorry, acceleration. Acceleration will become 0 meter per second square. Still the body is in speed, constant speed. Now, from that point, it is decreases down. So that, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, guys?
Retardation.
Yes, retardation.
Retardation.
Yeah, retardation, or we can say, understanding, what we can say, decreasing acceleration. Any doubt? Anybody? You can speak. Understand, everyone? Now, if you notice it, I want to find the distance of this total journey, total distance. So how I can find? Any idea? Total distance from this graph. Look into the picture and tell me. I want to find this. Then let me take, this is O point, this is A point, and this is B point, and this is C point. So that you can. Okay. Now you tell me. Also you can take. So if you want, you can see. Can I segregate it into as a 2 triangles plus 1 rectangle? Is it right or wrong? Yes, please. So now, if I'll find what is the total distance traveled by a body, then you will find velocity, uniform velocity of this case. Then if it is uniform, second case also it will become different. Now, the only thing is middle one, if you want to find. So what is the middle one? It is called as, what is the shape of this one? Middle one. What is that, guys? It is what? Rectangle. Understanding? So now, if you notice it, then this is all about the graph. Now, always keep it in mind. If I want to find the total distance, then what I have to do, guys? You have to do only one thing. What is that?
Find area, sir.
Yes?
Find area.
Yeah. So now, if you take here the total distance, then what will come, guys? Area of triangle. Area of triangle 1. Next what? Next what, guys? Area of triangle 2. And the next one what, guys? You have to tell me. Area of rectangle. Area of, what is that? Yes, please.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. Mukesh, sorry, Arun Prakash, have understand? Yes or no? So, and another one is rectangle, ANGL. Okay. Now, if you notice it, guys. So, what is the triangle? Sum of the total distance equals to, I can take S1 plus S2 plus S3. So now, S1 is equals to what? Increasing acceleration. So here it will come. So increasing acceleration means you can take total distance traveled by total time taken. What is that? Total distance. Total distance what? Total distance divided by total time. Sorry, I'm taking. So S1 means total distance of S1 plus S2 plus S3. So what is S1? Anybody? What do you mean by S1? What do you mean by S1, guys? Distance traveled by
Distance.
body. Understanding? So first case. So distance traveled so that it will take S1. So as we know, if you notice it, once again I erase. So now if you take distance, what is the formula? Anybody can tell me? What is the formula?
Speed
Already we know
into
the formula.
time.
Yeah. So speed into time, you will get it. Okay, guys? Everybody, girls? Vartini, so speed into time 1, like same way. S2 is equals to what will come, guys? Speed 2 into time 2. S3 is equals to speed 3 into time 3. So now if you notice it, so this is all if you'll do, then we'll get what, guys? Total distance. Now, it is the general formula, but from the figure, what is that S1? From the figure, what is the S1? Area of a triangle 1. What is the figure S1? Area of a, please respond. Area
Area of
of
triangle.
triangle 1. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula? Half into base into height, which is equals to. So let me take the base now. So observe very carefully the picture and you tell me. So I'm assuming base now is, let me take this is E correct, this is F and G. Now you tell me. So what is that? What is the area of the triangle?
DF.
Yes.
D
OF.
and F, sir.
Yeah, D and F is that one. Next A and F. Yes or no? So base DF. So 1 by 2 DF into height is equals to what? AF. Height is equals to what, guys? A. Okay. This is the first one, area of a first triangle. So why can't we find at a time? Because it is more number of sides. Have you noticed it? 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. Again, this is also we can say what is that? Trapezium only, but it is difficult to find which is height, which is parallel and all. So that is why I'm taking like this. So I'm segregating, simplifying. Now what is the second shape, guys? Second shape. What is the second shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
So what is the area of rectangle? You can see here itself. FG into BG. Yes or no? So F equals to area of rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? You should tell me. What is the area?
Length into height.
Yes, please. Area of
Length into height.
Yeah, area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So length is equals to what, guys? FG into breadth is equals to what? GB. Yes or no? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the second one. So now let us assume this is area 2, second area. Now you tell me, guys. Now what is the third area? S3 is equals to area of another triangle. So area of a second
Triangle
triangle. So area of a second triangle. What is the formula? Arun Kailash?
1 by 2 into
1 by
base
2
height.
B into H.
B into
Breadth into H.
what is the base? Look into the board and tell me. Look into the picture and tell me what is the base. Everybody.
G and C.
CC and height.
BC.
BG.
BC is the hypotenuse.
BG, sir.
BG. Understand? That is what. So I can say half into BG into B. Understanding? Sorry, BC. BC into
sir.
BG. Is it okay, guys?
Yes,
BC
sir.
into
Yes,
BG.
sir.
This is what. So now, if we want to find the distance from this graph, then what we'll do, guys? What we'll do? We'll do, you have to spare. So if you find a distance from this graph, so any point of view, we can calculate the distance from this and we can make it. Okay. So that is what. So this is what S3. So now S1 plus S2 plus S3, which is equals to S, which is equals to half into, you have to tell me, what is the formula? Half into length. First triangle, half into DF and AF. What is that? DF,
DF here.
DF into AF. This is the first one. Next, second one. Second one, what guys?
Rectangle.
Yes, please. Second one. Rectangle, guys. Just now I said rectangle. Yeah.
G into GB.
F.
Okay. What is the rectangle? What is that? Yeah.
FG into GB.
G and G. That is one. Okay. Next, last one. Yeah. G.
BG into BC.
Okay. Yes. Ready? You are speaking something. FG into G. Next. Again, what? Last one.
1 by
Last.
2 into BC into B.
GC into another one. What? BG. Okay. So this is what the formula which we are going to use to calculate the total distance traveled in a given period of time. Is it okay, guys? Yes.
Yes, okay, sir.
So this is what the thing. So please, I am showing you from the first. Everybody write it. So if you want to find this now, Harish, can you able to solve acceleration, deacceleration? Now when the acceleration becomes 0, guys, here from where to where?
When the speed is constant.
AB. So
When the
AB.
speed is constant.
Point A. Please note it down. From point A to point B. Point A to point B. Acceleration is 0 meter per second square. Why, guys? Why?
The speed is constant.
Yeah, speed is remains constant. That's all. Speed is remains constant. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about it. Now hope you all understand how to draw everything, and if you'll understand this, then tomorrow we'll derive equations of motion, 3 equations of motion by graphical method, because we studied graphs correct today. So tomorrow we'll study graphical method. Is it okay, boys? Good.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. So that is what about this everything. So once you start understanding the graphs, then next graphical representation of motion is very, very simple. So that is why today, what you people will do means today, all of you must solve the example number, sample problem 1 in page number 32. Sample problem 1 in page number 32. Already Harish did, I think, but still you have to try Hari. Sample problem 1 and sample problem 2. Once again you have to do it. Sample problem 2, do you have correct, guys? Book can you able to see page number 33. Sample problem 2, page number 32. So both you have to solve it. Then tomorrow we'll start deriving the equations of motion by graphical method. Is it okay, guys? Vartani, at least say now. Gokul, that's all. So this is all about the today's class. Graphs I taught you. Carefully study the graphs, because future, that is what we are having importance in even real life also. Okay. Thank you everybody. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.